Hey guys, this is a repost as some of you can tell. I just wanted to get this out of the way that when I started this series, I didn't really think much of the characters, appearances, or whatever. But now I think I want to continue it, so I'm going to make future edits to the characters to make them more like, look more like an average Jamaican. So please bear with me. Alright.
Girl, me have something fee tell you.
Well, hello there. Why this girl a come bother me and she see me a walk?
Watch ya, why you a move so strong a wrestler a ya daddy.
True. We you want child?
Warm to you.
Me stress out and hungry man a one bully me eat from morning inu.
Hush, come home with me new much long rub up two dumpling with one tin boom. Okay.
Cornmeal dumpling?
Ah yes girl, and enough gravy.
Okay gal, me come right now.
It did bad, don't.
As always you dumpling them taste like you put your foot in it. Heh you know a joke me a make man big chef.
Whatever.
Well thank you bestie. I'm going back to work now.
Be careful out there, I don't like what you do at all.
Same, but I need food and my nails and hair after look good. I can't buy them without money.
And my job does not pay enough, I can't support both of us. But there are so many things you could do.
I know, I'll think about it, okay? I gotta go now, see you later. See something you like? Why you a look pon me like you smell dog shit?
Will you please excuse me, young lady?
One, you must think your shit can make patty. Ooh, I really need some money. Will I ever make it out of this life?
Are you okay, Mom?
Me look old to you? Yes, I'm fine.
Well, what are you doing out here all by yourself?
Put two and two together, Einstein. Obviously me now hail no taxi on this road.
Oh, wow, I think you'd look better in another job.
Are you saying I'm ugly?
No, I'm just saying another job would suit you well.
Look, if you're not looking for service you may go. I doubt you have enough money to buy lice powder for my weaves.
Look, here's my card. I can get you a waitress job at one of my friend's restaurant. Call me, okay?
Thanks, but I don't need your help. I can get where I want to be on my own.
Yayush, I can see you're in the right path.
Will you just leave?
Okay, fine. I wish you well in your future.
Oh, Mr. Hernandez. Hello.
You haven't paid your rent in 3 months, Selena. 3 months.
I'm sorry. I promise you'll get it by the end of the week.
No. You're always making promises but not keeping them. I gave you a lot of time.
But sir, please.
No, pack your things and move out. I don't want to see you here in the morning.
But it's so late.
I don't care.
I can't believe he kicked you out.
Yeah, such is life. Me never pay him fee 3 months. I expected that. Just didn't think it would be so early.
Well, this is where I come in. Lucky for you. Just please no yam off me food, cause me no know how you can yam like say your belly have no bottom.
Look at my situation and you concerned about your food.
Well dare. Don't eat me Shirley's biscuit, okay?
Cho, I'm going to bed. Early bird.
What?
You really name off the food and don't give me none, siren?
Me look like you Muma. Don't you have 2 hands?
So you did stay?
Me love you but me don't love you that much. Well, I'm off to work now. See you later.
Okay, bye, bring back something for me.
A warm to you little girl, you see bank mark pon me forehead.
Ooh, why are jobs so hard to find in this country? I do have that guy's card. Should I call him? No girl, you can't look desperate and make nobody have nothing over you. Yeah, I know, but I am. Me not call him, yeah, make nobody feel me, beg him nothing.
Why do you keep glancing down on your phone?
I don't know.
You're waiting on that girl to call, aren't you?
No, no. I still can't believe someone in her shoes would refuse my help like that.
Stop beating yourself up. She didn't want your help. Could be because of the way you approached her.
I think I did pretty fine. Usually I wouldn't care about strangers, but there's something, I don't even know, but I'm somehow drawn to help her more. Maybe I really did approach her in a bad way.
Interesting, Mr. Stony Heart actually cares about someone.
You make me sound heartless.
Well, to be honest, I'm really interested to get to know this woman, but for now it's not like you have her number. If you want to talk to her, you have to go find her yourself.
Selena. Is that blood?
If I blood siren?
What was that noise?
Relax a little, Kool-Aid me did a mix up ya and dash we.
Oh. Still no find any work?
Nope. All the ones with good pay to sustain my lifestyle looks too much.
What do you mean?
They actually require me to do work.
Seriously, Selena?
Yes, you know how nails expensive feed you nowadays and wigs stink when it's sweaty, and me no have no money for a change often.
I can't believe you.